As a worldwide leading manufacturer in the fields of glass deep processing equipments and deep processed glass, North Glass sincerely introduce our T-Series, Top Series glass tempering furnace to you, which integrates with North Glass's 20 years professional experience. North Glass started the research and development of T-Series glass tempering furnace since April 2014. The first prototype furnace was produced and shown in April 2015. Since June 2015, this prototype furnace is keeping the continuous commercial production test in Luoyang North Glass production base. According to this verification test, the stability and all processing performance of T-Series furnace have reached its expected targets. T-Series furnace is equipped with a new concept, automatic control system at glass exit temperature, ACS, at GET, which witnesses a technical renovation of heating control for tempered glass. While using the intelligent processing mode, the automatic control system will be activated. The glass processing parameters will be automatically set up according to the input glass type, thickness, size, and quality orientation. North Glass's unique intelligent temperature control module can quickly and accurately detect and control the temperature distribution inside the heating chamber. After activating the ACS at GET system, the real-time glass surface temperature will be monitored. When the glass surface temperature reaches the ideal one, the heating will be stopped and the glass will be moved out of the heating chamber immediately. Based on 20 years experience accumulation and 1-year trials, North Glass have summarized and deduced the function formula for temperature prediction. By using this function formula and real-time glass temperature monitoring, the glass will be moved out of the heating chamber exactly at expected temperature. comparing with traditional heating control method indirectly via setting empirical heating time. The heating control via the glass actual temperature by ACS at GET system is direct and more accurate, which can significantly reduce the trouble and cost caused by repeated adjustments of finding the best heating time. More important, this ACS at GET system can avoid the heating deviation due to glass thickness tolerance, thereby significantly improve the glass quality and production yield rate. The temperature detecting sensor on the quenching wall can instantly detect the actual glass surface temperature. After required stress is formed inside the glass, the ACS at GET system will quickly adjust the blower inverter frequency for purpose of supplying more efficient cooling, thus to minimize the energy consumption while guaranteeing the glass quality. When the glass surface temperature decreased to 40 degrees Celsius, the cooling process is finished. Through the thermal field analysis, we optimized the insulating material laying scheme with different performance layers, thus to maximize the best heat insulating effect. Through the contrast tests, we measured the actual temperature data, which further verified our assumption. After statistical calculations, we confirmed that the actual use effect of T-Series furnace had reached the expected target, which could help the user to save the annual electricity cost of about $5,000. The finer heating control partition makes the reaction of heating control more quickly and the glass temperature control more accurate. Through fluid simulation, we optimized the quench wall design by eliminating the air turbulence, thus made the quenching air pressure more even. The new design of swing lid screw nut mechanism can improve the stability of glass flatness while guaranteeing the lightest iridescence. By using the TIG welding process introduced from Switzerland, we successfully solved the oxidization problem in heat-affected zone during heat-resistant steel welding, thereby significantly reduced the problem of oxidation slag falling inside the heating chamber. More even heating and cooling, as well as cleaner heating chamber environment, bring the best glass quality to us. Seeing is believing. Welcome to check the improvements by your eyes. The control cabinets and components originally assembled by Siemens have laid a good foundation for T-Series furnaces' stability. The IPC with book-type radiator eliminate your maintenance trouble. The reliability of new control cabinets are ensured by using Siemens' excellent experience of heat dissipation and EMC design. New structure design of convection fan provides the convenience for drive belt replacing, thus to reduce the maintenance difficulty as well as to improve the furnace's reliability. The new structure of rapid replaceable double drive belts provides not only the maintenance convenience, but also the reliability to the transmission system. For more information, please call Northglass or our official sales agents or send email to us.